Let's get your kitchen decorated coming up. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers or anyone for that matter will find irresistible. So you spend a ton of time in your kitchen. So why not take the time to spruce it up for the holiday season? Here are a few tips you're going to want to consider. Oftentimes, you'll see wreaths hung on cabinet doors. I decided to use simple, medium-sized bells from Target, tying them to a string and dangling them down the top of the cabinets to highlight the kitchen's height. It's an easy, cost-effective alternative. Next, you want to layer Christmas decor throughout the surfaces of your kitchen, including the top of the cabinets, or in this case, my fridge. I used garland and wooden houses from Target's Magnolia home line. Also, add accessories tastefully on your countertop. As you see here, use decor that has varying height to create interest, and plan to group the decor around smaller appliances to build on one cohesive vignette. It makes the counters look less cluttered. Don't forget to change out your linens too, and add a centerpiece on your table or kitchen island that matches your decor theme. See, I added more trees from the centerpiece corralled by a birch tray from Pier 1 Imports. You'll especially want to decorate your kitchen if it's a part of an open layout floor plan, so it creates a seamless transition from the kitchen to the other areas of your home. Do you decorate your kitchen for the holiday? Let me know in the comments below. Go check out this Christmas decor video next, and don't forget to subscribe below. And for all of our home tips, check us out at ToriToth.com. Until next time, happy holidays.